While others are enjoying the amazing features iOS 13 offers, many are also disappointed because of the post-update errors they're experiencing on their phones after installing the recent software update. YouTube reportedly can't play videos after iOS 13 are among the common issues that users have reported. Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you what to do if YouTube can't play videos on iPhone XS after iOS 13. First solution, make sure you have an internet connection. To be able to stream YouTube videos, you must have a good and stable internet connection. Try refreshing your phone's connection by disabling Wi-Fi for a moment and re-enabling it back. Here's how it's done. Launch settings from the home screen. Tap Wi-Fi. Now touch the Wi-Fi switch to disable it. After a few seconds, touch the switch again to enable it back. Browse some sites to see if you have an internet connection. After this, try to see if YouTube can now play videos. Second solution, close YouTube and reopen it. Most of the time, app crashes are minor app issues. They occur every now and then, but they're not necessarily hard to fix. In fact, closing the app in question and reopening it might fix the issue. So here's what you need to do. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and stop at the middle. This will show you the app previews. Now, swipe up on the YouTube preview to close it. Do the same to other apps. After this, try opening YouTube and see if it still crashes. Third solution, uninstall YouTube and reinstall it. Another effective solution to this problem is uninstalling the app in question. Doing so will remove all its associations with the firmware and other apps. After that, reinstall the app to make sure you have the latest version. Here's how you do those things. Go to the screen where the YouTube icon is located. Tap and hold on its icon until options show. Touch Delete App to uninstall it. Tap Delete to confirm the deletion of the app. Go back to the home screen. Launch the App Store. Search for YouTube, and then tap the install icon. Wait for the app to be successfully installed on your iPhone. When the installation is finished, tap Open to launch it. Most of the time, these are the only things you need to do to fix an app that keeps on crashing. However, if for some reason the problem continues, then you have to do the next solution. Fourth solution, factory reset your iPhone. A reset will be able to fix this problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files and data because they will be deleted and you may not be able to retrieve them. When ready, follow these steps. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.